Hey there, I'm Mrs. D, and we're going to have a quick writing lesson on show, don't tell. This is going to help your writing come alive, and you're going to be able to master descriptive storytelling and with these simple actionable examples that I'm about to show you. Okay, so you want to make your writing more interesting? Then stop telling. We don't want to just name feelings or state the facts. We need to start showing. We use descriptive action and sensory details instead. How do we do that? Well, first, what's the difference between telling and showing? Telling is when we just give the reader the information, while showing helps the reader to experience the story. So here's a tell example. Sarah was nervous. The problem with this is that we just give the information to the reader. It names the feeling, but the reader doesn't experience the feeling at all. So here we have the showing example. Sarah's hands trembled as she gripped the microphone. She swallowed hard and stared out at the crowd. This paints a picture. We experience the anxiety that she has through the physical reactions that she has. Did I ever say Sarah was nervous? No, but you knew she was. That is showing, not telling. So instead of naming the feeling, we're going to show the clues. Well, how do we show the clues? We just remember these four things. Remember, the face tells us things. Body movements can tell us things. Body language. What is the body doing? Words. How are somebody saying the words? And actions. What actions are they having beyond their body movements? But are they pacing? Are they slamming things? Are they stomping? Okay, those are all showing. All right, so that then we'll go from telling to showing. Like instead of Ben was excited, we're going to get Ben jumped up and down, grinning from ear to ear. I can't believe I won, he shouted. Here we can see the body actions, the facial expression and the sound, the voice. What level was his voice at? All right, here's a challenge for you. The dog was tired. How would you show this? Think about the face, the body, the words, and the actions. Here's an example. The dog flopped onto the cool floor, stretched out with a long sigh, and closed its eyes. Now it's your turn. The girl was angry. That is our telling sentence. Not good. We don't want to tell. We need to show, don't tell. So describe her facial expressions, her body language, and her actions instead in this sentence. And when you rewrite this, don't use the word angry. That's your challenge. No word angry in your sentence. Okay? So share your sentence in the comments below. We would love to see your show, don't tell example. Keep learning. Subscribe for more quick writing tips and to master the art of storytelling. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.